I'm Jian, the moderator of this debate. From now on, we will begin our discussion with the topic "There is intelligent life on other planets." The name of the first team is 박주조기 and the name of the first team is Solo Forever. Please shake hands with each other. Please introduce the discussion topic and give reasons for approval and grounds for argument on the topic for 3 minutes.
Hello, we are discussing the topic of discussion is intelligent life on other planets, and we argue that it exists. The scientific community is the afterlife and goes on as unknown, but the existence of aliens has been constantly studied. Why are they not studying ghosts but aliens? Science begins full-fledged research only what they are. They is successful evolution. Many people have seen ghosts, but there is no efficient ghost in the world. But the alien exists, and the evidence is ourselves. In the space of the universe, there is an intelligent life called our human spirit. That means there is a possibility that other space life exists. Consider the probability that alien exists outside the world. Our galaxy alone has more than 400 billion stars, and roughly a billion planets are in the same position as Earth. This location is called the Goldilocks zone, which means space with an environment suitable for living creatures. So let's say that only 0.1% of this our galaxy alone. But is this the opportunity for life to reside on other planets would have been trillions of times in last least billions of years. Since we exist, there is a good chance that alien exists. Thank you for listening.
This time, the first speaker of the first team repeats what the first team claimed for a topic and explain the reasons or grounds for the opposition for 3 minutes, please.
Hello, we are Solo Forever against the existence of another intelligent life in the universe. First civilization emit heat as they are created, but in space this kind of heat is nowhere to be found outside of Earth. We call this theory Kardashev scale. Simplifying this would be something like each civilization radiates heat energy and you can hide it. Second, mankind has already sent messages to outer space several times, but even a message sent to outer space in 1974 didn't receive a reply. Even if there is another life form in outer space, it is most likely a creature that lacks the intelligence to send replies and interpret messages. Third, according to one equation, there is a 0.08% chance of other life forms in our galaxy. The likelihood of intelligent life beings is lower than this, because we can't believe that nothing has been revealed yet. So, because all of this prove our team's opinion is correct.
Please, the the first team discussed the reasons with the country government for one. The first team please repeat what the opponents have just claimed and the examples of the first and second reasons for 2 million.
I think first one. Kardashev scale. He measures the Kardashev scale of a hypothesis proposed by Kardashev. While analyzing the high radio wave signals from outer space, we start with recognition of Earth's polarization. And I think space mystery, because it takes a very long time for a message to reach a galaxy 10 of millions of light years away. And Drake equation. According to Drake equation, the probability of other lives forms isn't 0.08%, because various results are forbidden depending on what value is subtracted. Thank you.
Then please discuss the reasons for the opposition's reply to the first claims for 1 million.
First, I listen to the opinions of the pros. However, most of the opinions of the pros are just speculation. The majority of UFO sightings have been found to be manipulation. Also, if it is a project carried out by NASA, it cannot be concluded that it is a UFO because it is carried out in secret. In fact, there was a case where NASA made a model of a flying object commonly called a UFO and conducted an experiment. In a similar vein, there have been records of detecting signals from extraterrestrials several times, but these were all due to ambient noise or microwave frequencies. To put it another way, 20,000 species have been discovered where intelligent life can live, but there is a slim chance that intelligent life can live in all of them. As I said at the beginning, the probability that extraterrestrial life will live in such a space is less than 1.18%. And it cannot be concluded that it is an intelligent life. Humans have been exploring Mars, one of 20,000 species, for decades, but only found an environment where water was flowing and no other living things were found. No traces have been found on Mars, the closest and most familiar case, and the odds of finding intelligent life on other planets are slim. Again, humans have never actually seen intelligent aliens. It is still too early to believe in the existence of intelligent life for which there is no scientific or actual evidence yet. We object to this topic because there has been no proof or research.
The speaker of the first team, please refute what the opposing team has just claimed and give a third reason. Please refute the arguments of the opposing team and summarize the presentation of the first team and completing the presentation for 2 minutes.
agents primarily not the UFOs exist when it only or referred to conclude on a series of sightings related to UFOs, and this is first time it has revealed in an official report. Also, it is difficult to determine what the UFO really is due to the lack of relevant data. It concluded that the UFO is responsible for alien life. A team with artists for consultants astrophysics professor at the University of Notre Dame in the UK published their findings in the list of the astrophysics. The study revealed that there will be 76 internet life in our galaxy, and that we must survive and live 6,000 years too. Communicate with alien civilization. It also said the nearest alien civilization would be 1,017,000 light years away. This is the result of a study that suggests success instincts into extraterrestrial life other than Earth. Say if there is another life form in other space, it is most likely a creature than because the intelligence to send liquids and interpret messages that is 7 days away the lift. This is other space life.
Let's discuss the reason for the opposition to the first claims for 1 minute.
Eventually, your claims are all about your claims are good. Your claims doesn't have an evidence. It means that your evidence that doesn't have a proof. And like on the 1974 of Earth's message, we sent a message to outer space, and we still haven't received the message. So it could be that the intelligent life can be lived in our space. And you've mentioned the Drake equation, which means that Drake equation have only 0.04% of intelligent life can live in our space. Yeah. In Europe, you have mentioned the Goldilocks theory, which is a theory, and that is not a fact. And you mentioned the UFOs exist, what? UFO signal can be signal to radio or microwave signals. Thank you.
For the squirrel, the first team react what the opposing team has just claimed and give a false reason. Please leave the arguments of the opposing team and summarize the presentation of the first team and completing the presentation for 2 minutes.
First, Goldilocks is mean space with an environment suitable for living creatures. So we humans are still constantly trying to find life outside the Earth. It is working on a program called SETI that receives signal from outer space, and NASA is also preparing to send exploration equipment to Jupiter's moon, which is most popular satellite sending probes to discover Earth-type exoplanets and sending messages to aliens introducing humans. So since we exist, there is a good chance that aliens exist. Thank you.
So for the skill of the first team, please read the substitution that the first has just claimed and the announcing the first reason for 2 minutes. Please summarize the first arguments to finalize the first presentation in 2 minutes.
The first suggested is possibility of other intelligent life beings in the vast unexplored universe. We also explained this with example of where UFOs were found. However, humankind has not yet discovered an extraterrestrial life forms that are not intelligent life forms. In addition, there are many causes of UFOs being made first, and the possibility of intelligent life on other planets and less than 0.08%. So our opinion opposes this topic because the release of thermal energy from other civilizations have never been found in space. The possibility of its existence is very low, and the possibility that even if there is life, it may not be intelligent life above or oppose this topic on the basis that no experience of other life has been found. Thank you.
Discuss and yet. Thank you for the presentation of the each team, and I will close the discussion.